guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic introduction title on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in introduction. Actually, I'm just going to type in cinematic. Select any font you want as well for this. Then just right click, create compound clip. I'm actually going to make the text a little bit longer. Then you're just going to simply go to mask and you're going to select film strip and you're going to rotate it a little bit like that. And you're going to feather it out a little bit. And you're going to start from here. I might make it a little bit smaller actually. There you go. Add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're just going to want to move the mask at the very bottom. Did I even click the keyframe? Yeah, I did. And that's it. You can add in an audio and you can select a background for this. If you don't like that one, you can just go to canvas, go to color, select a color that you want. But I actually just prefer the dark black color. It looks better when it's like a dark color instead of like a light one. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!